In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a TradingView widget onto your website seamlessly. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident by the end of this tutorial. First and foremost, you'll want to start by visiting the TradingView widget page. This is your destination for exploring a variety of widgets that can cater to the financial market data you want to showcase, whether it's for stocks, cryptocurrency, or other valuable market insights. Once there, take a moment to browse the available options. The TradingView platform offers a rich selection, so make sure you find a widget that aligns with what you wish to display on your website. If you're looking for something comprehensive and interactive, perhaps consider the advanced chart or the symbol overview, each offering a unique range of features that could fit various needs. Once you've picked your ideal widget, it's time to dive into customizing it. TradingView provides on-screen options that allow you to tailor the widget's appearance and behavior to your liking. You can modify settings such as the symbol or chart type to ensure they perfectly align with your requirements and, more importantly, are engaging for your website visitors. After fine-tuning these options, it's time to generate the embed code. By clicking on Get Widget, TradingView will generate a code that you can integrate into your site. This code serves as the bridge between TradingView's rich data and your website's presentation. Now that you have your code, go ahead and copy it. This code might be in the form of HTML or JavaScript, designed to be seamlessly incorporated into your existing web page. Depending on your technical setup, how you handle this code might vary slightly. If you're comfortable with HTML, you'll paste it directly into the correct spot within your website's code. Make sure you're planting it in an area that makes sense for its purpose, so that it appears smoothly and effectively to your audience. Alternatively, if you're using a website platform or content management system that supports custom embeds, the process often involves pasting the code into a designated area specifically for such custom integrations. Each platform can have its nuances, so there might be slight variations to keep in mind. By following these steps carefully, you ensure that your widget integrates beautifully into your site, maintaining both functionality and aesthetics. With these steps complete, your TradingView widget will be live, offering real-time data insights that are engaging and informative for your audience. Don't forget to review how it looks from a user perspective, making any final adjustments needed for an optimal setup. And there you have it, a streamlined way to embed TradingView widgets on your website, creating a richer experience for your users.